Is there a way to make editor tabs stack in Versus Code? In Visual Studio, it is possible to make the tabs for your different editor windows go over multiple lines so that you can see them all at once even when you have 20 open. Is it possible to enable this in Visual Studio Code as well?
On the latest release of Versus Code v1.53, this feature has been added. You can add workbench.editor.wrap tabs column true to your JSON config file. Or search in the Settings UI, File in GT, Preferences in GT, Settings, for Workbench in GT, Editor, Wrap tabs. In addition to that, you can enable shrink on tabs so they use less space, only the width of the characters, with workbench.editor.tabsizing column shrink.
As of July 14, 2020, there is no built-in way to make the tabs span multiple rows. There is a discussion within the Versus Code GitHub repository about adding this feature here, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.